It's a great
shame, you know. I'm such a proud Indian. I don't want anyone to interfere when I'm talking. It's my humble request. I'm such a proud Indian. When I go out of India, मैं बोलती हूँ मैं भारत से हूँ और मुझे बहुत ही गर्व होता है because we're so rich in culture, so rich in, you know, we're so diverse, we're so united. और ये कितनी शर्म की बात है that we all are actually debating over 12th December 2012 में जो निर्भया का केस हुआ था, आज तक उसका जस्टिस नहीं हुआ है. ये कितने कितने शर्म की बात है. पैनल में जो भी बैठे हैं ये एनजीओ वाले होंगे या ये लॉयर्स होंगे या जज होंगे, अकॉर्डिंग टू सेक्शन दिस, अकॉर्डिंग टू एस्पेक्ट दैट एंड दिस एंड दैट. डोंट यू थिंक इट इज अ शेम? कैन यू इमेजिन दैट लिटिल girl who died, if she was from any one of our families, how our life would have been devastated? Can you imagine the plight of the parents? जो माँ है, जो बाप है, उनकी जिंदगी तो जीते जी खत्म हो गई, एक पूरे परिवार की जिंदगी खत्म हो गई सब. एंड ये कितनी बेइज्जती की बात है. जब मैं हिंदुस्तान के बाहर जाती हूँ लोग बोलते हैं गली गली में आपके रेप होता है ना, आप कहाँ सेफ होती होंगी, योर कंट्री इज अ जोक. एंड आई स्टैंड बैक एंड आई डिबेट, डेयर यू टॉक लाइक दैट अबाउट माई कंट्री. But when I stand back and debate there, when I come and just look into myself, that come on guys, we're still debating about a case which these you know, I'm getting bad words in my mouth for these criminals, but these criminals have to be hung by now.
It is this reason, Sanjana, that that a large part of this country celebrated the Hyderabad encounter.
I'm questioning. Yeah, I appreciate
there is a travesty that the accused were not even charged and there was no trial. But the country celebrated the Hyderabad encounter, wrongly so too, but they celebrated. Why? Because of this system here. Because Nirbhaya has still not got justice. That's the reason, Sanjana. When the country turned around and tried to celebrate Hyderabad, it was because the system has failed. The system has failed to deliver justice in time.
It's really, really sad. It's a big embarrassment for me to sit and even hear that the justice has been delayed 8 years for such a big public fiasco, such a big public gang rape. Do you know what is the rule in Saudi Arabia? You rape somebody in the morning, by evening you're hung in the public and you're stoned to death. And that's why there's zero rate of, you know, disrespecting women in their country. आंखें उठा के भी नहीं देखते गंदी तरीके से. रेप तो बहुत दूर की बात है. When will our country be like that? We are so overpopulated. This is a problem that has to be addressed from the grassroots. The entire system has to be corrected and the entire punishment for the rape has to be changed. And
my point is, Sanjana, as I pull away from you, and I'm going to bring in Akshay Marathe and Vikram Singh into the discourse. I'm going to come out